So we're back over in Mailchimp, and when you come back in, you're going to want to come into all campaigns and be sure that you click on the campaign that you just sent over. It'll appear in your draft folder, so you can always search for that. I've gone into that campaign itself, and this is the screen that you see. So from here, if you made an error or wanted to change anything, you absolutely can do that in here. Now, when it comes to your content, we want to take a look and see how it appears. So you can go ahead and hit Edit Design. Now, this is going to come up as code because remember, we downloaded it into HTML format and we've added some unique code. So if you initially set it up using a template, this side of the screen is going to look very confusing. Don't worry, I will walk you through how to make changes if you need to do any. So from here, you can see that everything came over from our tweet. Here's our link to see the full tweet. And just like that, our whole newsletter is done for us. The options you have, if you wanted to add more in here, say you didn't want all of this information from the tweet or something doesn't look right, or you decided, hey, there's a couple of extra pieces of information I'd like to add that's changed since I first created this. Go ahead and scroll down again. So again, about halfway down the page, maybe a little bit more, until you find your tweet. Right here, you can make any changes you need if you need to change the text, and you'll see, if you maybe don't want to say, here's the latest news, you can say latest news, and you'll watch. There's a little bit of a delay, but it will update for you. So there you go. That's all you have to do. Just be sure you're only changing the text. Some of these styles, if you start to play around with them, you may have to look up a little bit of code. But if you're avoiding any code situation, have a little bit of text to add, go ahead and do that here. You can add extra paragraphs by using this same format with the P open and close. BR is line breaks. So if you need anything extra, go ahead. If this looks great to you, just go ahead and hit save and you're all done. From here, you can schedule it as you would any normal campaign. It's in draft format, so maybe you want to go back to Zapier and schedule it yourself. Maybe you want to send it out manually or use the feature within Mailchimp. Whichever you would like to do, you're all set.